friends, welcome to my channel. Let us see the first week of March for Aquarius. First week of March for Aquarius. Thank you. Oh, Ace of Wands. Something nice, greater is going to happen. Great Aquarius. Thank you. Another one from another tarot card only we are going to pick up. Thank you for Aquarius. Monology card. One card from Monology deck, one card from Keeper's deck. First, we'll take out the cards and then one by one, we'll see the messages, okay? The very first card, again Four of Cups. I don't know, friends, why this particular sign is having all these things. Again, the same thing. I think just now I had seen this card for Libra also, that in February you might have come across some sad events, or you have lost opportunity and you are feeling very sad and lonely. Sorry, but there is opportunities coming on your way. So forget about past and try to live in present. Forget about the things which has happened in your life, because naturally it was not going to serve you, and that is the reason that you were not able to catch it up. But now there is going to be an opportunity, so grab that opportunity. Always live in present. Past is past. So forget about past. Live in present and make your future better and secured. Okay, the next card is Queen of Pentacles. Very beautiful card. Just see. As you know, Queen of Pentacles. We know Pentacles is money, and Queen of Pentacles, when it comes, definitely very satisfied you'll be if you take this opportunity which is on your way. You will have an abundance in money matters also. And here I am seeing also, surround yourself by nature. Visit some garden or something. I feel even you can use essential oils, because I'm getting fragrance also like this, yeah. So surround yourself with nature, because nature is the best healer. You'll forget whatever things that happened in past, maybe in Feb or somewhere, and you will start a very good beginning. Let's see what the moon card gives you. Okay. New moon in Scorpio. Okay, work through your fears. Yeah, see, you've trapped yourself with fears. You're just fearing of things which is not going to happen, which may happen, which may not happen. But before that, your fear is clutching you and not allowing you to use your energy. So just forget about fears and just go ahead, move ahead. What is the Keeper's deck? Okay, toil and labor. See, beautiful. You have to work hard if you want to be something. If you want to grab the opportunity, once you grab the opportunity which is on your way, definitely you have to toil and you have to do hard work so that you have got enough money. That's what Queen of Pentacles says. You will be satisfied. She's really satisfied, cool and calm. And that will happen when you forget about your fear. Fear which is not allowing you to move ahead. So friend, please try to understand that whatever has happened with you in Feb or in past, forget it. Don't be sad, don't be panic. Remove fear from your mind and go ahead. Let us see what are the messages, general messages the universe wants to give, right? Thank you for Aquarius. Thank you. Marriage. I told you, opportunity is going to be there, friend. And you will have to grab this opportunity. If you get a very good life partner, definitely you should go for the marriage. Letter V, maybe. Somebody from letter V is going to be there near you. Bound to do. It is your destiny. See, you are bound to do great things. It is your destiny. So forget about past and move. Move. See, life is not going to be always stagnant. Life goes on moving, and there are ups and downs, and you have to move with the flow. So move with the flow. Okay. Makeup. Such a nice. Here it doesn't mean to do makeup. I feel the God wants to tell you that. Wear the mask of happiness. Please remove the sadness. Be happy and satisfied. Next. Letter B. Oh. V also was there, then B. Letter J. Okay. Maybe your company's name or the opportunity which is on your way for love or career, whatever it is, you see. Let us hope for the best. When mind is blind, when eyes are useless. Very true. See, with blind mind, you can't see the opportunities which are there in front of you. So, please open your eyes. Letter K. So many letters, so many people are going to help you, friend. Adjustments are required, yes. You have to adjust yourself to the new situations, new environment, and work hard. Let us see what are the love messages for you, friends. Thank you. Let's see what is the love messages, friend. Very bright, I'm feeling so. Definitely it will be very good for you, something. Let's see. Okay. Improve your diet. Okay. I think because when you are sad, sometimes you go on hogging. So it's like improve your diet. That is, take care of your health in short time. You're trying too hard. Give it time. See, don't try hard. Give it time, because universe has fixed everything, and when the time comes, definitely it will click. Okay. Let's see the next message for you. It is most important thing right now to take a step back and spend some time alone. Okay. So, you can analyze yourself. Instead of placing your focus on another, it is the time to give to yourself. So, give little time to yourself. Analyze where you went wrong in your love sphere in February, and then you go ahead. Letter B, maybe somebody from letter B, or maybe you are letter B, I don't know. Let's see. A new love. I told you something new is going to come. New love is going to enter your life, friend. Obsession is not good. Yeah. Don't be obsessed with anything, friend. Take it as it comes to you. Okay? And wait for the right time. But don't be blind to the opportunities which are coming on your way. Okay? Thank you.